Good morning, Wakefield. Welcome to the 20th edition of Wakefield Action Media. I'm Johnny.
And I'm LG. Wakefield football had their first game of the season last night and beat Washington Liberty. This is the fourth year in a row that they have defeated the Generals. Congratulations, Warrior Gridiron. Follow them on Instagram to stay updated on future games.
As we end the month of February, we talked to some Wakefield students about the bad habits they're leaving behind in the first semester and the good habits they're bringing with them in the second semester.
One thing that you did first semester that you're going to stop doing in the second semester?
I'm going to stop relying on my teachers' late policies.
I'm hopefully going to stop doing all my work at like 9 at night.
Procrastination, because it's really bad, and I never really turn my work in on time.
Some bad habits I'm leaving behind are not studying for tests and not asking the teacher to explain the lesson when I need help.
Not asking for clarity when I need it, and I'm also going to leave behind putting off work, so I'll make sure to do it right away.
Waiting till the last second to finish my work.
What's one thing you're bringing into the second semester?
I'm bringing in better time management so I can turn my work in on time.
I really worked hard to try to find new strategies to help me complete my daily tasks.
Getting my work done the day it needs to be done.
Going to office hours to meet with my teachers and staying during asynchronous time.
I'm definitely going to try and be more organized with my work, so I'll make sure to write everything down as soon as I get it.
We hope you have a great second semester.
It's the final week of Black History Month, Warriors. Mujan and his film crew share how to celebrate and support local Black-owned businesses all year long.
We've gone out and we found 5 different local Black-owned businesses that you can go out and support. Here they are. To start our list off, we have Dama Pastry. At Dama, they serve a versatile lineup of pastries, including their own pound cake. Next on our list, we have Edito's Coffee, where they don't only serve you coffee, but also a flatbread of your choice. Coming in third, we have Enhera Eritrean Restaurant and Bar. Enhera serves versatile Ethiopian cuisine, for example, their beef zigni. Next up, we have Ethio Cafe, one of the most versatile cafes in Arlington, with a highly rated vegetarian dish on their menu. Last on our list, we have Amore Congelato, to go and satisfy your taste buds with their exclusive and amazing zero sugarcane ice cream. Now that's worth checking out.
Thanks, guys. Celebrate with Step Afrika on Monday, March 1st at 11 a.m. Step Afrika. Dancers will share the history of stepping, technique drills, and even a little choreography as well. Fill out the Google form to get the link.
In 2 weeks, some students will be going back into the school building. Whether you are going back or not, things are going to change a little. Even before this announcement, there has been a lot to think about.
Now, there is a school support line that any student, parent, or staff member from Arlington Public Schools can call. Call 833-MESSIGNA at 833-632-4462 if you need help. There is no charge whether you are a Cigna customer or not. And that's it for this week.
Tune in next Wednesday for another exciting edition.